Bismillah.
Today we are going to discuss about the benefits of the recitation.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
The benefits of saying Bismillah. The word Bismillah simply means in the name of Allah. According to a narration, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, any significant work that doesn't start with Bismillah is defective. Another adaptation says, any significant work that doesn't start with Bismillah is without Barkat. In this video, we will investigate why Bismillah is so advantageous for believers.
1. Bismillah, the essence of Quran. As per a few researchers, that when this verse of Bismillah was uncovered, the mists gave path by moving toward the east, the breezes stopped blowing, the seas became quiet, the animals set themselves up to tune in, the shaitan got pelted with fire from the sky and Allah, SWT, making a solemn vow by his honor, proclaimed, anyone who says this name of mine, Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim, after anything, I will clearly give blessings around there.
2. Bismillah before revelation. Bismillah contains three names of Allah. A. Allah, which is his own name to show that all things happen simply by the desire of Allah. B. Rahman, which implies charitable. Allah is the one in particulars who can keep things from annihilation. C. Raheem, which implies lenient. Allah is the most tolerant, and it is just through his kindness that man can flourish or be fruitful.
3. Closeness to Allah. It is described in Tafsir-ul-Bayan said that Allah, SWT, has 3,000 names. He uncovered 1,000 to the heavenly messengers, 1,000 to the prophets, as 300 are referenced in the Torah, 300 in the Zabur, 300 in the Injil, and 99 in the Holy Quran. One name he has minded his own business, he uncovered it to nobody. Likewise, he has dense every one of his names into the three names contained in Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. They are Allah, Rahman, and Raheem. Accordingly, any individual who says Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim, it is like he has said every one of the names of Allah.
4. Protection against the angel of hell. It is reported that Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim has 19 letters, and the angels of Jahannam are 19. Anyone who says Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim will be protected against the angels of Jahannam.
5. A high status in the hereafter. Concerning this, it is accounted for that the Prophet, PBUH, said, any dua which is started with isn't dismissed. Due to saying Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim, the sizes of my amal will turn out to be hefty on the day of judgment. The others will inquire, for what reason is the excellencies of the Muhammadiyya so hefty? Their prophets will say, in the expressions of the Muhammadiyya there is such a decent name of Allah that on the off chance that it is set on the one side of the scale, and the transgressions of the whole creation is put onto the opposite side, and the side with the goodness will be heavier.
6. For cure. The portrayal says that once Uthman container a bill ascribed to the Prophet, PBUH,
about bodily pain. The Prophet, P.U.B.U.H., advised him to put his hand on the part that harms, say Bismillah threefold and say the dua, I look for shelter in Allah and His strength from what I feel and dread. Thereupon his pain disappeared,